Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and we're doing a bonus video today because we got our new RLC 1992 GMC Typhoons in, and it was surprisingly fast. I just ordered these on Tuesday, and they shipped them out, I think, by Thursday, and we had them today. I've even heard of some guys that got theirs on Thursday. I just got my notice that they were shipped on Thursday. So this is a really, really sweet looking truck. I wish I was a little bit more diverse on what I collect, because I would actually keep one of these things. They're actually very, very nicely done by Mattel. Hot Wheels, I should say, but Mattel owns Hot Wheels, so Mattel Hot Wheels. So this truck, I'm gonna say it's probably a little bit big, maybe, for a 164, but overall, it's a very nicely proportioned vehicle. The details are perfect. As you can see, the body kit, the flares, the side skirts, everything is properly done. Rear bumper cover, the emblems on the back with your GMC and the Typhoon over to the left. And trying to get it to focus in on the plate here. And it says Foon, so that's kind of cool. And it is another vanity plate. They always have these cool vanity plates, kind of like Auto World does with their cars and trucks. So as you can see, the engine compartment is very, very nicely done. If I was going to keep one, I would crack it open because I open everything, but I'm not going to keep one, unfortunately. I was thinking about it, but I've already let go of my SS454 trucks and my other square bodies and such. The only trucks I'm keeping now are the Mopars. I'm anticipating the 62 Dodge quad cab power wagon with the 413 wedge that's supposed to come up pretty soon. I would think it would be coming out real soon because they're selling them early in China. China has a few of them, or they got the mold and they made a few of them, and they're selling them early. So I would think that Mattel will be releasing them soon through the Hot Wheels RLC club, but I haven't even seen an upcoming date on that one. So who knows? It may not launch until early 2025. So here's the other side of it, your driver's side. Once again, nicely done. The wheel choice is very nice. The 5-spoke look. They had kind of a 5-spoke, directional wheel on it, same wheel as the Cyclone pickup had, which wasn't a bad looking wheel. The best variation of the Typhoon I think made is the one by Johnny Lightning. The one Johnny Lightning makes is closer to scale than I think the Hot Wheels one is. Like, for example, we'll take this 58 Plymouth I have sitting over there. It is true scale Auto World, at least they say they are. And I'm going to say that, yeah, the Typhoon that Hot Wheels made is a little bit big. The one, I wish I had one from Johnny to show you right here. The one from Johnny Lightning, though, I think is pretty close, and theirs is really nicely done. I used to have the white one with the gray ground effects package, and it had the Typhoon wheels. Everything was spot on perfect with that truck. And they make a black one too with the spot on perfect wheels. They also have one that had the, like, I don't know, I would call them like GTA style honeycomb wheels. A black one. It's kind of like a matte black. Johnny Lightning does a really, really nice job on the Typhoon down to the wheels. So as you can see, decently detailed undercarriage. You can see the bottom of the motor and your leaf springs, rear differential, your drive shaft and such, transmission mount, transmission pan and such. So not a bad looking vehicle. Card art is nice and such, and it is Spectraflame black. which almost looks just like basic black in some manners. But I bet when it's out in the light, out from this plastic prison, it looks much better. But as I said, I can't crack them open because they're going to a new home. One is already sold, but if somebody needs one, I have one more left for 60 shipped anywhere in the U.S., including Puerto Rico. And if you are abroad, I can still ship to you. It'll just be a little bit more costly, but anywhere in the US or Puerto Rico, it's 60 shipped to your door. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you again tomorrow for our Mopar Monday. We have a couple of beautiful second gen Chargers coming up for you tomorrow. Be sure to tune in for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Sunday.